Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use base flange, bend flange, extrude, fillet, unfold, refold, bend, and mirror. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will create a new sheet metal rule, and the thickness will be 10 millimeters and the bend radius will be 10 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to sheet metal, select the sheet metal rule, click here with the right button and select a new rule, and the name here will change to 10 millimeters, the thickness 10 millimeters, and open the bend condition here, and the bend radius will be 10 millimeters, and save this. Close here. And the first step that we'll make, we will create the top face here. But here we will create only a half of this face. So we'll make this rectangle. This rectangle has 100 millimeters by 360 millimeters. The other side we'll make using the mirror features. Okay? So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch and select the top face. And select the 2-point rectangle. The rectangle here has 100 millimeters by 360 millimeters. And here, go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point here. Finish the sketch and go to Flange, select this sketch here. And here the sheet metal rule, select the sheet metal with 10 millimeters that we created and press OK. Now we will create this bend here. So this bend has 10 millimeters of radius and the distance here is 300 millimeters. So go to Flange, select this edge here. The distance here 300 millimeters and the 8 datum outer face and the bend position, select inside and press OK. Go to measure, select this face and the bottom face here. The distance here must be 300 millimeters, okay? Now we will create this cut here. So to create this cut, we will make this line here. The distance between this point and this point here, 108 millimeters, and the distance between this point and this point here, or this point here, sorry, is 150 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select this face. Go to create, select the project. Project include the selection filter, specified entities, select this face here and press OK. Now select line, make a line between this line here and this one, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between these 2 points is 108 millimeters, and the distance between these 2 points here is 150 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here, this triangle, and extend the type, select the all and flip the direction and press OK. The operation here is cut, okay? And now we will create this bend here. So the radius here, 10 millimeters, and the distance between this face here and this face here is 8 millimeters. So let's create this step by step. So open the Fusion here, go to Flange, select this edge, the distance here 8 millimeters. But look that the distance here is between this face, not this one, okay? So here, the 8 datum here, select inner face. Okay. And the bend position here. The bend position we need to change just to adjacent. Okay. And here we have an offset with 40 millimeters in the both sides. So to create the offset, click here and full edge and select the to offset and move the reference one here minus 40 millimeters, and you can move here minus 40 millimeters, or you can just put the dimension here, offset 1 and offset 2. But look that we have this cut here. So here you go to override rules and select bend relief, override, and the relief edit, select here 50 millimeters and press OK. Go to measure, select this face, and this face here, the distance here must be 8 millimeters, okay? And now in this edge here, we have a fillet with 20 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet, select this edge here, and select this edge, 20 millimeters of radius, and press OK. And here we have two holes here. So this hole has 15 millimeters of radius, and the distance between this point here and this edge here, 35 millimeters, and the distance between this point and this edge here is 50 millimeters, because we have 200 here, 100 here, and 50 here, and 50 here, okay? The distance between these two circles, 100 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select this face here, go to create, project include, project, selection filter, select this face here and press OK. Select a circle, make a circle here with 30 millimeters of diameter, and make another one here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between the circle and this edge, 50 millimeters, and the distance between this circle and this edge here is 35 millimeters, and the distance between these two circles is 100 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this circle and this one. Finish the sketch and go to extrude, select these two circles here, and the extended type, select all, flip the direction, operation cut, and press OK. Now we will create this cut here, but let me remove the red lines here. But the first thing that we'll make here, we'll go to modify and select unfold, the stationary entity, select this face, and select here unfold all bends, okay? We made this one. I will rotate this a little bit here, and go to create a sketch and select this face here. Go to create, select project include, project, the selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. And here we will create this sketch here, create a line with 150 millimeters, create an arc here with 50 millimeters of radius and another line here, and close the sketch here, okay? So select line, click here, make a line here with 150 millimeters, create an arc here, and create another line here. Go to sketch dimension, the radius here 50 millimeters, and here we have a circle here. This hole has 20 millimeters of radius, so select the circle, make a circle here 40 millimeters of diameter, coeccentric with this arc, okay? And now the distance between this line here and this edge here is 130 millimeters, and the distance between this line here and the center point is 60 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension, the distance here 60 millimeters, and the distance between this edge here and this one is 130 millimeters. Okay, and this cut here has a thickness of 4 millimeters. So we'll go to offset, remove the chain selection, select this line, this arc, and this line. And the distance here is inside 4 millimeters. And press OK. And go to constraint, select coincident, select this point and this line, this point and this line here, and go to trim, cut this line here in the center of this line. We made this profile. And here, finish the sketch, go to extrude, select the circle and select this profile here. Make sure to select this one here. And the extended type, select all, flip the direction, operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. And now refold face, click here. We made this one, okay? And now we need to create this bend here. Look that we have a line here in the center of this fillet here. And the distance between this line and the top face is 70 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select this face here. And go to project include, project. The selection filter is specified entities. Select this face here. And select this face here. And press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And here select line. Make a line here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line and the face here is 70 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Show this body here. And go to create and select the bend. The stationary side, select this side here, okay? And now select this side here, select this line. And the angle here is 90 degrees. And the bend line position, select the center. And press OK. Hide this sketch, the sketch 5. We made this one. Now to create the other side, we'll use the mirror. So go to create, select mirror. The object type, body, the object, select this body. And the mirror plane, select the front plane here. The operation is join and press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.